Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. So, children, in our previous video, we already discussed about the sense organ and the senses. Okay, so today we will do some exercise. Okay, book exercise. Before starting the exercise, we will again revise. Okay, about the sense organ and the senses. So, children, can you tell me how many sense organs do we have? Yes, we have five sense organs. Okay, five sense organs. Can you tell me the name? First one is our eyes. Second, ears. Third, nose. Fourth, skin. Okay, this is our skin. Fifth, tongue. Tongue. Okay, fifth one is our tongue. Clear? So these are the five sense organ. Okay, and they help us to know the things which is happening around us. Okay, the things which happens around us, they tell us about these things. Okay, and who help us to know these things? How they help us? By the senses. Okay, so these are the senses. Like tongue help us to, tell me, tongue help us to taste. Okay, our tongue help us to taste. Eyes help us to sight, or you can say eyes help us to see. Ear help us to hear the sound. Our skin help us to touch, or you can say feel. Okay, F-E-E. Nose help us to smell. Okay, nose help us to smell the things. Clear? So we have five sense organ. Okay, we have how many sense organ? Five. Like eyes. Okay, eyes help us to sight. Second, tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Hearing. Ears. Third sense organ, ears. Ears help us to hear. Fourth, skin. Skin head. This is a palm, but skin is present in all around our body. Okay, in everywhere of every part of our body, skin is present. So skin help us to touch, or you can say feel. And the last one is our nose. Nose help us to smell. Okay, nose help us to smell. Clear, children? Now move to the book exercise. See, children. A. Tick the things. Tick the things that you see around yourself on a rainy day. So children, whatever the things you are able to see during rainy day, you have to put tick in that column. Okay, in that box. See, first one, umbrella. Are you able to see umbrella during rainy day? Yes. Sun? No. Cloud? Yes. Water? Yes. Everywhere. Water is present everywhere. And rainbow in the sky? Yes. During rainy season or rainy day, we are able to see rainbow. Sometimes we are able to see rainbow in the sky. Okay. Only which thing we are not able to see? Sun. Okay. Now move to the next one. Take the thing that smell nice to you. Which thing smell nice? Okay. So see, flower smell nice. Take garbage? No, it smell bad. Clean clothes? Yes. Food items? Yes. Dirty clothes? No, it also not smell nice. Okay. Now move to the C part. In the following picture, tick the things that are hot. Okay, you have to put the things that are hot. So, see the things which is hot. Kettle. Are you able to see the kettle? And are you able to see this vapor? This is vapor. Okay, so that means the things which kept in the kettle, that is hot. Okay, so put the tick, either it is tea or hot water, anything. Okay, ice cream, is it hot? No. Cold drink? No. Ice cube? No. Tea or coffee? Yes, it is hot. In the following picture, tick the things, see the D part. In the following picture, tick the things that make a loud noise. Loud means high volume, okay, high sound. So which thing make a loud noise? Drum? Yes. Creeping of bird? No. Flute? Tell me, flute? It also make pleasant sound, okay. They do not means it do not make loud sound. So this is also wrong. Bigul? Yes. Shell? Yes. Okay. Now see the next one. In the following picture, tick the food item that are sweet in taste. So mango, yes. If the mango, see the color of the mango is yellow, that means that is a ripe mango. Okay, that is an ripe mango. So it tastes sweet. Second one, biscuit, it also tastes sweet. Chocolate, sweet. And the last one I am not able to see, last one is our what? Last one is the lemon. So lemon's taste, what is the taste of lemon? Tell me. Sour. Okay. So it also, they do not have sweet taste. Okay. Only these three have sweet taste. Okay, children. Move to the next one. Try this. Match these senses with their sense organs. Okay, children. So we have to match the senses with the sense organ. So these are the senses. Okay, these are the senses. And what is this? This is our sense organs. Okay, this is our sense organs. So we have to match the senses with the sense organ. Okay, now see, sight. Which sense organ we can match? We are able to see the things with the help of our eyes. So match it with eyes. Second, touch, or you can say feel. We can feel or touch with our skin. Hearing, how we can hear the sound? With the help of ears. Smell, with the help of nose. Taste, with the help of tongue. Okay, children? Now do one thing. Write down this, match the following in your copy, any one of your copy. Note down and match the things and learn at your home. You can do one more thing, children. Do one thing. If you want, you can do one more thing, that note down these senses, okay, in your copy, and in front of that you write the answer. Directly you write the answer in front of that, so it is easy for you. Okay, so is it easy for you to learn? Like sight, in front of that you write eyes, like this way. Touch, skin, okay, like this way. Hearing, ears. Smell, nose. Like this way, children, in front of this, write the answer in your copy and learn it at your home. Clear? Now children, take care. Bye bye.